Top 5 Best Quality Ceiling Fan in India. Number 5 Usha Racer 1200 Ultra High Speed 400 RPM Ceiling Fan. Ultra high speed of 400 RPM, revolutions per minute. Unique blade design for high air delivery and thrust. Warranty: 2 years manufacturer warranty. Number 4 CanStar High Speed Decorative 1200 mm 48-inch anti-rust 400 RPM ceiling fan. Fan speed 400 RPM, high speed, air delivery 230 cm, 3 years best in class warranty. Double ball bearing, increases load bearing capacity. Number 3 Crompton Super Breeze Deco 1200 mm 48-inch, high speed decorative ceiling fan. Power consumption 70 W, speed 400 RPM, air delivery 210 cm, warranty, 2-year warranty provided by Crompton. Number 2 Crompton Hill Breeze 200 mm 48-inch, high speed ceiling fan. Power consumption 75 W, speed 370 RPM, air delivery 205 cm, warranty, 2-year warranty provided by Crompton. 100% copper motor, double ball bearings. Number 1 Attenberg FEQ 1200 mm Bldc energy saving 5-star rated high speed ceiling fan with remote. Only 28 watts at highest speed. Save up to Rs 1500/year compared to other fan. 2 years on-site warranty, additional 1 year on warranty registration. 5-star rated Bldc motor with improved reliability and longevity. Wide operating voltage range of 140 to 285 volts.